So I'm going to talk right now about a very basic method of construction in clay, and that is coil building. It's a very simple method where you just take some clay and then you're going to just make snakes, make coils. You can do these by hand, and I'm also going to show you how to do them using the extruder. If your coils that you're rolling by hand are not quite round, you can just pat them and work on them. But basically for coil building, we're going to need a turntable. You're going to need a wooden knife, some sort of scoring tool or a needle tool, some kind of wooden paddle to pat the clay with, and your water bucket. Now I'm just going to finish rolling out one of these coils by hand and show you that if you go slowly and smoothly, you'll end up with a very even, consistent, round coil. And we can use these to construct a variety of different things. Now, like I said, you can roll these all out by hand, or you can do them using an extruder, which I like to do because then you end up with a lot of very consistent coils, and you can use them to build things that are very tall. If you don't have the throwing capabilities yet, you can make pieces that are just as tall and beautiful and smooth as thrown pieces using coils, and I'm going to show you how to do that.